So we are at food truck night in Pound Ridge with Grandma Barbara and Chrissy, and we're gonna get something to eat.
Chrissy and Barbara engaged.
Chrissy and Barbara. So we're gonna get some Walters. I wanted to get something at Gyro Uno, but the line is really long. So we're gonna get our hot dogs, and then we're gonna get Bona Bona. Yep. Chrissy, be nice.
Going back again.
Be nice.
Nice.
Good boy.
Right.
This is flirting, showing off. Wow. Everybody's giving Chris some affection. We got Bona Bona ice cream. I got strawberry vegan, and Barbara and Chrissy are gonna have vanilla, or maybe Chrissy will have some of mine too. Good, Barbara, right? Good. Do a twirl for, oh, he's gonna do two, a double twirl for Barbara.
Hooray!
Yay.
Hooray!
So talented.
Hooray!
Yay! Yay!
Hooray.
Yay! Dance and twirl for Barbara. A double one.
Very good! Yay!
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 Yay! That's so good.
Yes,
Yes.
you're the best. Yes, you're the best one. Yes, you do the best twirls.
Good boy.
She
Good
looks
boy.
afraid.
Wow, look at that.
Huh?
Geesh, the bird is talking. Look, the bird is brushing its teeth. Look at that, Bee. Look at all the different things the bird can do.
Oh, that's all right. I'm going to get it when he's
He
finished
threw
with
this
his.
on the floor.
I'll get
Oh,
it.
there's another one
Yeah,
there?
He was twirling both of them, and
that
then.
is really impressive. Look what he does, Bee. That is so cool.
Sharpening your beak.
Look at that.
Good job. Oh, what a good job. Yeah. It's a long twirl.
Look at that.
What's he gonna talk?
Yeah, I think he said boy girl.
You gonna toss it? Let me see the toss. No, you're just gonna eat it?